Hi, I'm Ranger Brent. Come take 5 with me in Belair National Park. Located right on Adelaide's doorstep, it's just 25 minutes from Adelaide CBD. Home to a variety of wildlife, the park's been a favourite for generations to enjoy picnics and bushwalks. It's the perfect place to come connect with nature. Here are my top 5 things to do. Head out on a bushwalk to one of the seasonal waterfalls. You'll find them along the Waterfall Hike Trail. The best time to visit is after some winter rain. Bring along your 4-legged friend and go for a stroll around the park. Remember to keep your dog on a lead and stick to the designated walking trails. Have a picnic and play on one of the many ovals and tennis courts in the park. We've got cricket pitches and footy goals and picnic areas with barbecues and shelters. These areas are a great opportunity to keep fit and spend time with family and friends. Take your mountain bike and head off on the Adventure Loop. This is a shared use trail, so always keep an eye out for others. Why not challenge yourself and go on a trail run? The Lorikeet Loop is a great option for beginners as it's mostly flat, but if you're after a few more hills, try the Microcarpa Loop. We can't wait to see you at Belair National Park. Visit parks.sa.gov.au for more ideas and tips for your visit, and we'll see you soon.